guys. Hello, and today we will be playing World of Warships. So, wait a minute. I need to see this. No, wait, nothing. So, today we will be playing World of Warships. And today we will be playing against my sister. So this is my sister. Hello. Yep. And then we will go. No, not legal. And now let's start. Where's training room? Here we go. I am not the Bogue. So now let's be the Wyoming. Okay, and now let's invite Caitlin, Team B. Oh yeah, I need to invite Jutc. Wait. Hmm. Jutc's team is going to be on Team A, so yep, here we go. Now I will choose the map. I'm just going to do center control, cage. Let's start it. So now let's see, me or my sister will win this round.
You are the enemy team.
Oh, yeah. My sister's the enemy team and I am the enemy team. Haha, so yeah, we will get close to each other. Mwahaha. I'm definitely winning this round. I'm definitely winning this round. So, I told my sister to meet me at at the center, like in where that flag is. So just meet at the flag. Same, I can't see you yet. Let's see. You are not here. She's not on the map yet. Let's see. Who will sink first? Haha.
Faster than you, brother.
I have. Oh, wait. Where are you? You're not on the map. You're clearly not on the map. So let's go into this area. We are not detected yet, so oh, that sun there looks pretty nice. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Who do you think will win? Tell me down there in the comments section below. Let's see. Where is the sister team? Let's see. I think she's over there. I think you're over here or something. You're not in the base. You're almost in the base. Um, you're like literally. Oh, enemy team is capturing the area. Enemy team is Caitlin, my sister. Where are you? I basically can't. Oh, I see. Oh no, no. Only little hits. Let's aim at you and let's fire! Fire! Bam! Bam! Yeah, guys. Let's wait. Waiting. Why, I think she stopped. Jutc. Hello, Jutc. I will splash up the water right here and then get ready and shoot! That was pretty good. I don't really have much damage. Let's aim here. And then we just need to wait until the guns are ready. Fire! Ooh, that was good. Oh no, we're not broadsiding. We need the broadside, so let's turn over on this side then. Turn. These guns are so slow. I see you now. Bam! Enemy heavily damaged. Cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, you're firing at the center. Uh-oh. Fixing time. Just need to wait for those guns. Just out of range. I just need to turn back in. Is fire! Oh my god. Oh my god. We almost sank Jutc. Come on. Come on. Come on. Why are you going behind a rock? What? Why are you going behind the rock? Behind the rock? Let's see. Let's move over here a bit. Let's see. Oh, here you are. This might sink the Jutc. Oh, I sank Jutc. Now it's time for the next round, which is gonna be in a few minutes. So see you guys later. Bye bye. Okay, so you are back. Now let's us here. No, we're gonna be on team E again. Let's invite all. Here we go. Oh, Jutc is here. Jutc is the 10, I guess. Do you want to be 10? So I'm just waiting for my sister to go on team A. There we go. And then let's start the battle cage. I bet I will win again. No way. I'm definitely winning this time. Or maybe. Yes way. Yes way. Because Emerald is faster. Bees. My Emerald is faster than the 10 Ryu. I have torpedoes too. Haha. I am definitely going to win again because Tenru is slower. Haha. So now we are meeting at the center area again. Let's see. Turn back here. We're gonna try and put up a broadside. Here we go. A few more guns. 3 more guns at the back, I believe. Hooray! No. Oh wait, nobody. I can't even see you. You're like not on the map. What? Where are you? What? Where are you? Oh, I see you now. Over here. Fire! No hit. Let's turn over there. And let's try out my next favor. The Jutc. The Jutc. Her name's the Jutc. The Fussier, the Puppier.
Good job!
Who's gonna be the first one to fire those torpedoes? Who's going to be the first one?
Target penetrated.
Who's going to be the first one to fire torpedoes? Who is it? Me or that case? I mean, is it me or is it that? Is it me or is it Jutc? Let's turn over here. I think I'm going to be the one that's gonna fire the Tors first. Bam, bam, bam.
Nice shot!
Do you know that one time in this emerald I sank more than half of an enemy team?
We hit the enemy!
So like that was pretty impressive, but now we are against 110 called Jutc, which is hiding behind that. Who's doing that hiding behind a rock trick again? Haha, I can see your bombs. Like I can literally just see your bombs. Fire! Yeah. I bet I'm gonna be the first one to fire Tors. I'm definitely the first one to fire torpedoes. I'm almost ready. I'm gonna do something really weird. So stay. If you want to see the weird thing. Where's that Jutc? Oh, I see the Jutc. Let's fire at the Jutc. That's not a rock. So
Enemy
let's
team
see
captured the area.
Are you firing torpedoes? 4 and 80. 4 to 80, okay. It's 16 to 80. Damn.
Target hit!
Okay, I just want to get closer.
Good job!
I bet one more. So I guess we're not using torpedoes.
Enemy ship destroyed.
Again! Why do I always win for some reason? Oh my god! You literally just knocked the device off. Oh, whatever. Now let's just turn to Caitlin as the Chester and me as the Cestus. No. Because this time they're gonna. Okay, Caitlin's the Chester. Oh wait, no. I'm St. Louis. Start. I'm definitely. Hello, bad team too. I bet I'm gonna win again. No, I'm definitely going to win. There are no aircraft carriers.
Battle starts.
I am an American ship. Jutc. Let's meet at the middle again. Who's the first to reach the middle wins $10,000. No, wins $10,000. Wait, who fires at a rock first wins $80 million? I won. I already won, so too bad. Nothing. I have a lot of dollars, so I have a lot of dollars. Like, I think I can't see you anywhere. Little Jutc. Why did I call you Jutc? Why did you say Jutc? Why? Oh wait, why did I say Jutc? For some reason, I see. Oh, yes. Enemy team is capturing the area. Arrow indicator. Wait, why am I going backwards? I'm already in the base. I bet I'm gonna win again. This St. Louis is bristling with guns. As you can see, all those black lines. Those are all guns. Haha! Where are you? I think you're over here.
Target spotted.
Exactly. But I'm not going to shoot yet. I'm not going to shoot yet.
We're under attack.
I will wait. Turn, 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 turn. Now it's time for my good old trick in the St. Louis. If you want to see my trick in the St. Louis, then now, 3, 2, 1. That's my old trick in the St. Louis. What? There's not even torpedoes.
The situation is
so
under control.
how is steering gear damaged? There's basically no torpedoes. So, bam, bam.
Target hit.
I love this trick. I love using my old tricks. It's like they still work.
Nice shot.
Fire! The fire. Let's shoot more neighbors. Now we have to turn again. Oh yeah, unable to aim in this direction. One single round minus. Okay, I guess there's the problem of. There's a problem. So you are.
Good hit the enemy.
Uh-oh.
Nice shot.
Again? Oh no.
The situation is under control.
You can do this, St. Louis. Sink the chest.
Target hit.
Come on, you can do this. You can do this. I almost got sunk. That was close. I almost got sunk, but no. Close, very close. So now it is the free choice. Free choice. So Caitlin's doing Wicks, I'm doing the West Virgin. I'm doing the Virgin Islands. Press ready or I will not do anything. Friends online, yep, you're already in battle. So let's start. Do you think big battleship or fast destroyer will win? Tell me down there in the comments again. So here,
Action
this
station.
battleship is way better than. No, I'm going really close to there, but not exactly. Turn those big 406mm guns. Because like now, because like this ship has advanced torpedo protection, which makes it really good against destroyers. Because like destroyers' main weapon is basically torpedoes. Wix is destroyer, so that makes it perfect. As you can see, at the front it's like a little fatter than like the rest. So that's like a little bit of the torpedo protection, but it's not just there. There's more, like along the whole side. So let's look for that Wickers. The Wicked Wicks. I guess maybe the Wicked Wicks could be able to win, but like maybe the Wicked Wicks might be able to win. Oh, I'm as fast as a York class battleship. Now I love this ship because like this ship has really easy dodging torpedo features. It's like dodge torpedoes really fast with
Enemy
this
team
ship,
captured the area.
as well as ram the ship. Like, it's like in World of Warships, the funnest thing is to ram the enemy team ship. I cannot see. You cannot shoot. Oh wait, do you know like this is one of the best things for a battleship to beat a destroyer? To like just go out of their gun and torpedo range.
Enemy target
Like,
spotted.
all you need to do is go out of their gun and torpedo range, and then it's good. Let's see. I think we're out of torpedo range. Let's see. Uh-oh. We are crashing. Let's fire! No, precise aiming system.
Precise
come
aim
on.
activated.
Fire! Oh, that was a lucky. I cannot see any torpedoes. Haha! There aren't any torpedoes.
We're hit.
No, there are not torpedoes.
Torpedoes.
Oh, here they are. Turn, 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 miss, miss, miss. Yep, all out of range. Bye-bye, torpedoes. Turn those. Yep, there we go. Come on. I think we're out of their torpedo range. Come on. Come on. Let's spam it. Spammer.
Enemy torpedo spotted.
I'll miss. Probably I'll miss. Exactly. Let's... Oh wait. That was close to shooting. We just need to wait until it's the perfect time to shoot. Here is the perfect time to shoot.
Enemy
What?
ship.
I guess a tip for a destroyer is to never go near a battleship then. It's only secondary guns, and then there's another free choice round, which is right now. Now is the other round where like you can choose whatever. So let's choose whatever you want. I want to be the West Virginia again. Obviously. Let's receive this. No, because land of battles is not doing anything. So now invite the next. No. Arch Archipelago? What's Archipelago? Golden Channel. Yeah, I like Golden Channel. Let's shoot here. 9. I will invite you. No, invite her. Right? Start battle. Torpedo gunship again. There's another torpedo gunship versus a battleship. Let's start.
Battle starts.
I just like to wait around. See the camera. I love to free look around. I just like to relax. Oh yeah, Mark 12 secondary guns. I like those. And of course, 406mm guns really help against. It's like the 406mm guns really help against torpedo gunships, which is why I actually really like this West Virginia ship. And like it's like fast
Team
for a
captured the area.
battleship. Like usually battleships only go like 16 or like 17.5 knots goes to South Carolina. Where is that Jutc? Where's that Jutc? Where are you, little Jutc?
Enemy target
Oh, I
spotted.
see the Jutc. I will wait, because I need to wait. Fire!
Nice
That
shot.
took away half of the health. We just need to wait. Secondary guns are just almost in range. Yeah, I was like, I actually wanted to miss there. I actually kind of wanted to miss there.
Enemy torpedo spotted.
Enemy tor. Miss half of the
Spotted an enemy
What?
ship.
What? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? I was like, I guess the thing registered the wrong thing. I was like, I literally just sunk that Jutc. So now it's the secondary guns only round. Cancel. No, Julian de la Riviere. Only secondary gun battleships are allowed. So, oh sorry, the mic was muted. So now we're gonna be at a secondary guns only round. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so South Carolina start the battle. So no time to change. I picked it. So no. So this is secondary. Which is gonna be like a long round because like you can't use guns. All you can use is secondary guns. All you can use is secondary guns. Oh my god. That's what? That's South Carolina is wow. I don't know who's going to win this round, but it's like I think this round is going to be like kind of long because like yeah, this round I think is gonna be kind of long. It's like all you can do is use secondary guns, so touch controls is better. Of course, not it's off. So here, I am still waiting for that other battleship called the Jutc, South Carolina. So let's see. Wait, I stopped for some. So let's go again. Relook. Let's try to fire. Let's see. I cannot see. I need to. I'm going to be in the base the whole time. Okay, cause then I'm gonna like be in the. I'm gonna be in the base the whole time, so.
Enemy team captured the area.
I'm gonna be in the base for the whole time, so like I'm just gonna be circling the base. Cause like I have two sides of secondary guns. I'm coming in. I touched the line. Now I'm inside. Where are you? Oh yeah, I see your Jutc. You Jutc. You Jutc. Oh, Juxies. No! You used main guns. You cheated. You cheated.
We're under attack.
You are cheating. You cheated. You cannot use main guns. Only secondary
The
guns.
situation is under control.
I said no. You just used it. Cause like if they're white, then that means they're your. That means then they're your main guns if they are white. But if they are not white, then like I can see if your main guns are firing because like oh
The ship is on fire.
so bam. This is gonna take a while. This is definitely gonna take a while. This is definitely gonna take a while. I'm not on fire,
We're
haha.
under attack.
Let's see. So you're turning for a broadside, which gives me. Oh yeah, I totally forgot something.
Target hit.
Go almost 1623. Oh, you crashed. Give me the perfect opportunity to hit you. Because you crashed. Now you are on fire, not me. And now you put it out.
Good job.
So, who do you think has more health right now? Tell me down there in the comments. Like, I'm literally just shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting.
Nice shot.
So,
We hit the enemy.
reloading, reloading, come on!
Target hit.
Come on, sink that Jutc. Sink
We're hit.
the Jutc. Sink the Jutc. Sink the Jutc. Sink the Jutc. Sink the Jutc. Oh, I'm gonna do
Nice
something
shot.
crazy, okay? Okay, guys?
We hit the enemy.
Crash!
Situation is under
I
control.
crashed. Crashy crash. I love to crash. Crashy crash. Let's fire from here. Almost sink. Jutc is almost sunk, but not
Good job.
clearly sunk yet, as you can see. Jutc's guns are blasting, and they are turning. Oh, you cheated again. You fired main
Nice
guns.
shot.
Cheated again. Oh my god, you only have
Enemy ship destroyed.
Okay, so let's see. Let's now go somewhere else. We'll do 2 more rounds and then it'll be the end of the round. I'm going to do the emerald. Oh wait, I need to switch on one. Okay. So ready? If you are not ready, then I will remove you. Oh, you want the chicken wings? Okay, now let's walk. Let's start with the bathroom. C's. Let's see the Jutc. Now let's see. Oh wait, because like this is the second to last round, which makes it a pretty exciting
Action
round.
stations.
And then the next round is the last. Haha, I have torpedoes and I also have an extra weapon. It's a smoke screen. Also have an extra weapon called smoke screen. Hooray. I was like, I love British cruisers, so like they're fast, they have a lot of guns, and their torpedoes do a lot of damage. Like one time I was in a British cruiser and then I sank nearly half of the enemy team. I was like, yeah. So that's why I like British cruisers. Give me the base. Haha, you cannot capture the base anymore because I am in the base. Detected. Where is the Jutc? Jutc is right here. Are we using torpedoes today? Or no? Okay, are you turning to torpedoes? If you turn to
We hit the
torpedoes,
enemy.
if you not, then not. I can see your gun. I can literally see your gun. Crashing time. Time for crashing. Please turn here. Okay, wait. I'm not gonna shoot torpedoes yet. Wait.
Target hit.
That. Let's see here. Wait, are we not using torpedoes again? Oh wait, I forgot. Last time you kinda used torpedoes, but whatever. Wait, hey, how fast are you? Wait, what's the knots?
Our team captured the area.
I'm faster than you.
Good job.
Give me the chance. Give me the chance.
Enemy torpedo spotted.
Aha, you like you
Nice shot.
and I miss you. Let me. Oh. But I'm gonna let you just shoot me. I'm not gonna shoot for a while. I'm just gonna like crash you. I like do some weird stuff. Why you stopped? The while is almost done.
Torpedoes.
Why are you shooting the other way? You literally just shot the wrong way. I'm sorry for that.
Target enemy ship.
Okay, now this round is the final round. Wait, this is the final round. Caitlin's in can choose whatever she wants, but I'm just gonna be a battleship with only secondary guns. So, be a battleship with only secondary guns. So I'm gonna. What are you doing? Let's see. You Mikazi. Wait, I want to do something else. Let's see. How about this round is gonna be the destroyer round? Destroyers only, which the Caitlyn loves destroyers. I will be Wix, and let's see what will Pispooey be. Let's see, Pispooey. Are you ready, Pispooey? Okay, so now invite that Jutc seer. Sees. Not tons and tons. Hello. Are Wix, the Wiki Wix, the Wicked Wix, Wicked Wix, two Wicked Wix.
Action stations.
Not. All is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 24 torpedoes can be shot at one time. 24 torpedoes. 12 on each side. I am capturing the base. No, wait. You are capturing the base. Enemy team is capturing the area. Wait, are you here? Or are you there? Oh wait, I think they're over there.
Target spotted.
Oh, you're over here. Oh my god. Are you using AP? I bet you should know that.
Engine boost activated. Enemy torpedoes spotted.
I'm gonna go closer. Perfect, this is the perfect time.
Destroyed an enemy ship.
Okay, this is the last round, so I will see you later. Bye bye.